Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. So it's been a while I dropped a video and I would want to drop more videos now for you. So I'm dropping 3 PSD files and the in a zip folder. So let's get right to it. Some time ago someone requested for a all white flyer design, so I had created one and I decided to share it with you guys. Before I do that, you can see my channel is already on over 1,000 subscribers. Please do well to download the free PSD files. You can see I have like 7 videos for you here to download from, so please do download and watch, so you can get the free PSDs. So let's get right to it. This is the flyer design I'll be creating. I'll just do a breakdown on how I got it. So I'll click on my Ctrl N on my keyboard for new layer. I'll create new layer like this. Then let me just give you the breakdown. You can see this is a background. I'd already put everything inside sorry, inside its own background. So it's just a combination of different backgrounds into one background. Ctrl V. Sorry. Then as usual, you can see my images, my image rather is in high quality as usual. Excuse me. It's in high quality as usual. How do I get this? I use Topaz Lab adjustments. If you want to get this adjustment layer, you can go to YouTube, search for Topaz Lab. You will get the direction on how to get it. And if you want me to do a video on it, please signify and let me know. So the next thing I would do is to create like an overlay on this image, so it looks somehow sharp and kind of nudity, shows some essence of nudity. So I'll create this layer here with my foreground color set to white. I click on this gradient tool right here and I gently do what? I gently brush to something like this. So you can decide to reduce or increase the opacity to your preference. You can walk around it, you can play around it. It's fun to do. So also the next thing I would do is to actually bring in my shape. You can create this shape, you can create any kind of shape you want, but this one I got it as a PNG file though. I got it as a PNG file, so you can decide to bring in your shape and your text to this particular image. Now let me explain this side to you, this particular text side to you. This is a 3D PSD file that I got on FreePix. It's a PSD file I got on FreePix, so you can download yours on FreePix, just to get the stuff. Then this also was on FreePix. So for this, let me show you the layout. You can see bevel and emboss, stroke emboss, smooth, depth 164, direction is up, size is 8, soften is 2. You can see this value over here, dodge, white, normal, this color here. Then I added stroke to it, size 10, position inside, opacity 100, and gradient. I added this gradient over this gradient too. You can see at location 0 I'm having, D6 AE41 allocation. You can see different locations here. You can see I'm having EBD 271. Just play around it to get your preference. You can see this now is BO6 F35. Then for this last one, you can see BD7252A. For this, click OK. You can see that for this upper layer, you can see it's 2 layers. This upper layer here, I reduce the fill. If I do this, you can see it's giving us this black. But if I reduce if I put the fill to 0, it's giving us like I added it to the stroke area of the design. So as this text also, you can see this text here, different text. I use the font as Montserrat medium 5.62, and also 5.62 with tracking value of 1820. Now finally for this light overlay, you can see this light overlay is just here. I change the blend mode to screen, so you can play around it, like you can play around, you can play around it to get your preference. So this was exactly how I got this design. Please don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you.